It happens in less than a second. A simple walk through tall grass, a hidden snake, a sudden strike, two tiny puncture marks may seem insignificant, but beneath the skin, a complex biological battle has already begun. Every year, millions of people around the world experience snake bites, yet few truly understand what happens next. Today, we're following the journey of venom through the human body and the science that saves lives. Snakebite is not just a wildlife story, it is a global public health challenge. Across parts of Asia, Africa, Latin America, and Oceania, millions of people live and work in areas where venomous snakes are part of everyday life. For many rural communities, healthcare facilities may be hours away, and when time matters most, distance can become a dangerous obstacle. Snakes don't hunt humans. Most bites occur when a snake feels threatened or surprised. When it strikes, specialized fangs can deliver venom deep into surrounding tissue in a fraction of a second. But the bite itself is only the beginning. What happens next depends entirely on the type of venom involved. Once injected, venom begins spreading through nearby tissue. From there, it may enter the lymphatic system and eventually circulate throughout the body. Venom is not a single substance. It is a complex mixture of proteins, enzymes, and biological compounds evolved over millions of years. Each component can affect the body in different ways. During the first hour, symptoms may begin to appear. Some people experience swelling and pain around the bite. Others may notice weakness, dizziness, or changes in vision. Different species produce different types of venom, and each affects the body through unique biological pathways. Imagine the human body as a vast interconnected city. Blood vessels act as transportation networks. Nerves carry communication signals. Muscles perform the work that keeps us moving. Venom can disrupt these systems, interfering with communication, circulation, and normal function. The effects depend on where the venom travels and what it targets. As venom continues its journey, symptoms may become more noticeable. Vision may blur. Muscles may weaken. Breathing can become difficult in severe cases. Medical professionals carefully monitor these changes to determine the best course of treatment. Every minute provides important information. This is where modern medicine changes the story. Antivenom is designed to bind to venom components and help neutralize their effects. Developed through decades of scientific research, antivenom remains one of the most effective treatments for serious envenomation. The sooner treatment begins, the better the chances of recovery. Recovery often takes time. For some patients, improvement begins within days. Others may require weeks of treatment and rehabilitation. But with proper medical care, many people go on to make a full recovery. What begins as a medical emergency can become a story of resilience. Everything we've discussed is supported by decades of scientific research. Medical professionals, researchers, and global health organizations continue studying snakebite and its effects. Evidence-based medicine allows doctors to improve treatments, refine protocols, and save lives. Science remains our most powerful tool. For centuries, snake bites have been surrounded by myths and misinformation, but modern medicine has replaced many old assumptions with tested knowledge. The most effective response is not fear. It is prompt medical care, accurate information, and evidence-based treatment. Behind every statistic is a human story. A farmer unable to work, a child missing school, a family traveling long distances seeking treatment. Snakebite affects communities, livelihoods, and daily life. Its impact extends far beyond the moment of the bite. Snakes themselves are not villains. They are remarkable animals that play important roles in ecosystems around the world. Scientists continue studying venom not only to improve antivenom, but also to develop new medicines. What once seemed purely dangerous may also hold important medical discoveries. Around the world, healthcare workers, researchers, governments, and communities are working together to reduce the burden of snakebite. Progress is happening. Improved access to treatment, better education, stronger healthcare systems, but challenges remain. The future of snakebite treatment is already taking shape. Artificial intelligence, biotechnology, advanced protein research. Scientists are exploring new approaches that may lead to safer, more effective, and more widely accessible treatments. The next generation of antivenom could transform global healthcare. In the end, this story is not about fear. It is about understanding how nature works, understanding how science saves lives, and understanding how people around the world continue working toward a healthier future. Snakes will remain part of our world. So will science. And together, knowledge may be the most powerful antidote of all.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।